Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I distress my denim with a nail file and scissors. Also, I'm going to show you how I add custom detailing just to give it my own personality. As you can see right now, I am using my nail file to actually distress the denim where I have already cut the holes in, and it works really good actually. And it's less time consuming and tedious than using tweezers and so forth. Now I am cutting the hem on the collar. This will actually help me to achieve the fringe look I'm desiring. Here I'm cutting small slits in the collar to create a distressed look at the collar line. I'm gonna also take my file and go over that just to distress it a little bit more and roughen it up, make it look a little bit older. Here I'm cutting slits in the back of the jacket, the center back, where I will later put bandanas. Using the nail file again, I'm gonna go ahead and distress the back a little bit. Once I put it in the washer, It's gonna distress more, but this really helps to get a good start. As you can tell, or maybe you may have not noticed, but I actually previously started designing this jacket with a different design that I ended up wanting to change. So I am taking off the elastic band from the bottom of the jacket. I'm gonna leave the Dallas on the front, of course, because I do like that, but I'm gonna change the back of the jacket. Now I'm about to add the bandana in. I was going to go with the light pink, but I think I'm going to go with the hot pink instead. After cutting out the bandana pieces, I'm going to pin them into place so that I can later take them to my sewing machine and sew them into place for a more permanent hold. You don't have to use a sewing machine if you don't have one. You can always use a fabric glue or adhesive of your choice. I'm also going to distress the front pockets, but for the front pockets, I'll use my smaller scissors because it's easier and it gets into the smaller spaces better. Right now I am just doing my finishing touches before I sew the bandana pieces in to the back of the jacket. Then I am going to wash the jacket so that the fringes actually get to fringe a little bit more. And I will come back with the finished look once it's washed and it's dried. Well, this is how I customize my denim jackets using bandana and heat transfer vinyl. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Cooler Denim channel, 'cause what? We are Cooler Denim.